Season 2 Electromagnetic Wave. Season 2 Electromagnetic Spectrum. Physics in the Necrotic World. Episode 31 Surfaces. Welcome, strangers. Sometimes I genuinely feel like The Walking Dead, but that's okay though, because my project has developed a lot more than I could have imagined it to, and now I can happily talk about everything that in this podcast, sort of thing. Like, I can anchor in the GCSE physics spec as an excuse because I have to revise too, right? But the depth and broader scope, I think we should all consider that. And I'm enjoying exploring because this is the sort of thing that just floats in my head, and I like talking about it. And if I can talk about it, make a podcast about it, and maybe I can meet somebody like me who likes thinking conceptually, then that's a big bonus, right? That's what I really want, really. So with those quotation marks obsessions over the years, I know a lot of random stuff, but all I trust has So, hang on. I know a lot of random stuff, but all I trust... Hang on. Yeah. I can happily talk about everything in this podcast and anchor it in the spec, but I trust that everything has relevance, especially now, to everything. Yeah, I'm not really helping myself here, am I? But we'll see how this goes. It's interesting how even everyone thinks in systems without realizing. You can tell. You go meet someone and you can kind of see vaguely how their mind cogs are like running. It's entertaining. If you listen and watch closely, it's amazing. That's also why I insist that even flat earthers, conspiracy theorists or whatever, still have a sort of substance to it. Just because a whole load of people say something doesn't mean that it's not worth considering that it truly isn't. It's not about me, quotation marks, believing moon landings are falsified, but honestly, they very much could be. Who's to say what's bad evidence nor good evidence? Who's to tell me what's real, what isn't? Well, there are many possible ghost paths. There are many possible ghost paths that haven't been lit up yet by perception into presence. Not firmly, anyways. However, these are just as valuable and worth exploring. It's not quotation marks. It's not hypothetical. It's actually much more genuine than, it's more genuine to reality, really. It's grounded firmly in possibility. So yes, the Earth could be flat and the moon landings could be fake. This isn't about me going on about conspiracies and stuff, but I'm just trying to say that there is substance in these broken shards. So the tinfoil hats of some particular conspiracy theorists are interesting data. Scrunched up tinfoil? Yeah, scrunched up tinfoil has a rough surface which scatters light with diffuse reflection. That's a fancy hat. Would you wear that? I don't know. Would I? If it's a nice hat, sure, I can wear it. It has a handmade, artisan, expert feel. And there's the classic tinfoil hats. That's flat. That has a flat surface, which it's creaseless, perfectly uniform light rays radiating off with specular reflection. That sounds nice. But it's not about me encouraging conspiracy theory. I'm encouraging curiosity, because who's to say what's conspiracy theory? Who's to say how far my curiosity can go? You know what I mean? So, see you next time at Physics in the Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian. R out.